So we just left SeaWorld. Oh, that was so much fun. We got on a couple of rides. Now we are starving. So we are gonna go to New Orleans Cajun seafood for some seafood boil. Let's go. So we finally got our seafood. We ordered 2 legs of king crab. But it looks like they actually gave us an extra one. So 3 legs. We got how many pounds of crawfish? 4 pounds of crawfish. It comes with 3 corn, 3 potatoes. I got a boiled egg. And how much shrimp did we do?
10 shrimp.
10 shrimp. Alright, and then we did Cajun and garlic butter with the sauce. Okay, let's dig in.
Can we dig in?
Yeah, let's dig in. Right. I'm gonna go with the crab. Am I gonna hurt myself?
Here, you might. Do you got the cracker?
Yeah, I got it. The garlic is good.
Is it good?
I didn't get the meat yet. The garlic is good. Ooh, they don't got the scissors. We should ask for scissors. How am I supposed to crack this? Like this?
Yep.
Like that?
Oh wow, these hurt, right? Ow.
Careful, baby.
Your hands get really
dirty.
Messy. Yeah. Yeah, maybe we need scissors, right? I mean, this doesn't look right. Oh, look at that.
How'd you get yours out so well? Oh, I got it. I think I got it.
Do we want something to dip it in?
Something.
Like you said?
Well, there's... We're just gonna do this right here in the corner.
That's what I did. It was good. That's good.
I don't know if I got it.
Yeah, right?
Oh my god, that's so good. How was the shrimp?
Shrimp was, I knew that's why we didn't.
Oh, it's
It was just, okay. I mean, I was hoping it would be a little better, but. What I like about king crab though is that you can get every piece out of it. I mean, everywhere, you know. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Gotta admit, the flavor is so good.
Yeah, that butter with the Cajun seasoning is really good. It's a garlic butter.
And it's a little spicy.
There's a ton of butter in. I mean, there is a ton of garlic in here too. Let's dip it into that.
I mean, you have to take a shower after eating this stuff, you know? Because you probably stink a little bit.
You don't like the shrimp? I thought the shrimp was good.
That was just okay. I mean, I don't know. You're right. I think these need scissors. Like, it doesn't crack, really. You have to tell me how that is. Is it as good as last time?
Oh, it was juicy.
Juicy?
I will say that.
Flavorful?
It seems promising. Hold on.
Promising's good.
Of course, it's this one thumbnail I don't have. Oh, okay. Here we go. Stick it back in here.
Does it look to remember?
That is really good crawfish.
I got a big piece of crab coming to you.
You do?
Yeah, you want me to? You want to take the one I'm getting out right
yes.
now? All right. Get you a big
Here's
piece
some
of crab.
sausage.
I love the sausage. I love it. Really yummy.
That's really good.
Isn't it like a hack to get these out, right? Did you see that? There you go.
You gotta somehow, we gotta get that on camera. You guys gotta see how he got this crab off. We saw this hack. Was it on TikTok?
It was on TikTok.
We saw this hack on TikTok. There's a trick on how to get the meat out of the shell.
I'll do it over here next time on another
He
one.
like slapped it and it just came right out. When I saw that, I didn't think it actually would work.
I didn't either.
Oh, that crab is so good. That crab is so good.
So good. I love king crab actually. It's one of my favorite.
It's so meaty.
It's like pulling out a steak, you know? But it's crab. But it's crab. I mean, that's
This sauce
about.
is so good. Y'all gotta come here. If y'all in
Gotta-
Orlando, come to New Orleans Cajun seafood.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think this is one of the best ones here.
This is. I mean, I've been to a lot of seafood boils, and this is just by far. This is. I mean, I know this isn't a. It's not technically a boil, right?
This is a boil.
It is a boil.
Yeah.
Okay. I know sometimes it comes out in like.
It's hot.
It comes out in like a. What's it called? Like a bag. Like a bag.
Oh yeah, it's still the same thing.
Yeah. But this, oh my god, is it good?
I didn't get to the yolk yet. A lot of egg white. Oh man, I dropped it.
There goes the
I
bucket.
lost half my egg, guys.
50 cents gone.
It slipped.
It's okay. Probably have too much food here for us anyway. Maybe. We don't know. Maybe.
This is so good. Here's some
This is
potato.
awesome. Oh, this is so good.
Wow, my boyfriend just sprayed himself
All
all
over the
over his
place.
white shirt. It's, it's so red.
Oh no.
Babe.
Holy crap. You thought dropping the egg was bad. Look at me. Oh no. No, that's alright.
The crawfish is good. We got some corn.
Oh, I should have known better. It's alright. Of course, that gives the toughest shell, right? How's the corn?
It's good. But I feel like the corn I'd be getting is better.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know if I should put it back and keep it on my plate.
This is exactly how I remember it. It's delicious.
Yeah, it's really good.
Is it because you think that the crawfish are just so fresh?
Yeah, I have a feeling, we didn't ask, but I have a feeling the crawfish is live.
We should
They're
ask.
still alive.
Yeah.
I don't think it's frozen. That's why I think it's so good.
It's sweet almost.
It's sweet.
I love it. Want me to try to do that hack?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if I can even get it.
This is not working for me. This, it's like sharp. It's like the shell is like kind of soft.
Oh, watch this. I didn't have to do it this time. Look. It just came out.
Wow.
Here you go. You want that? Take
Yeah.
it. I'll take
Thank
this
you.
one. You're welcome.
Look at that. Thank you, honey. Let's get some garlic up in there.
Oh, that looks so good. It's so meaty. Yeah. I get this.
Oh, the knuckle, that's
That's
good.
a huge piece of meat here on the end. Yeah. It's a good thing we're going back after this because I can't be seen walking around with Cajun stains
Oh my god,
all
it's
over my
all
shirt.
over your shirt.
Good?
It's so good.
I love I could do all you could eat king crab, you know? I mean, I wouldn't have a problem with that.
I would love all you can eat king crab. Is there a restaurant that does that?
I found one once.
Really? Where?
I paid for it. It was $160.
That's so cheap.
But I ate. And this was years ago when crab probably wasn't expensive as it is now. You know? But yeah, I ate. And I ate and I ate.
That's so cheap.
I mean,
So I got some knuckle meat in here that I'm having a hard time getting out. Do you think if I do the trick, it's gonna come out?
go for it.
How did you do it?
Yep, like that. Oh, a little came out, not a lot. That is the trick, though.
That is the trick, guys. I haven't mastered it yet.
That's how I got out that one piece. I didn't think it would happen, but it did.
Oh, I think I was able to get out with a fork.
That's good. Oh,
So good. I'm like in heaven.
yeah, me too.
I'm so happy now. You're so good at this. You want to be the one packing this for me? I'm just so used to using scissors for this. Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, I get that both places. Look at that. That
Look at
looks
that.
good, right?
Oh my gosh. Just gonna dip it and let's get some garlic.
Was that good? Yeah, it looked good.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll do that in a second. See if I can get it out.
I think this is perfect. This is a huge platter.
It is, but we're just so hungry.
I think this is perfect for us though.
You think so?
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, so you ready?
Oh, it just slid right out. He didn't even have to whack it out.
But that's how you usually do it. That's
Yo.
Oh. Huh? If you get it just like this and then you hit it, all the meat comes out.
I just seen that.
But you have to break it up.
Yeah, you gotta break it a little at the top, right? And you hit it, and it just all flops out. Yeah. Want to split it?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Cheers.
You didn't even have to whack it. Just
No, this
slipped
is just
out.
came right out.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
So damn good.
Oh, thank you for this. This is
Thank
so
you.
good. That juice is just the best juice. It's like,
So sweet.
why does it taste like that? I still can't figure it out. But it's like drugs to me. It's like, oh, it's good. I want more.
So good.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine.
We did it, guys. We finished all that food. It was so much. Oh yeah, look at our shells.
That's how you do it.
Look at my boyfriend's shirt.
I'm very attractive right now. This is a new style, new look. It's tie-dyed Cajun. It's awesome.
That is so funny. Wow, I'm so full. That was so good. So good. I think that's one of the best seafood boil places here in Orlando. There's actually many good ones, which is great because back home in Philly, we don't have that many seafood boil places. But down here, there's plenty, and they're really good. I think this is one of my favorites. I think it's between this one and another one. Definitely get the crawfish. The crab is good. The snow crab's good. The king crab is great. Yeah, this place is awesome. So definitely check it out. So if you enjoyed that video, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.